Hi there everyone, and welcome to Friday. I keep saying this every week, but don't they come round quick? I hope you're all okay out there, and thank you for the comments yesterday. I'm going to do another food review today, and this one is another from Farmfoods, and this was £2.59. And this is Farmfoods Carvery 10 sausage and bacon wraps, which I suppose were pigs in blankets at one time. Pork cocktail sausages wrapped in a smoked streaky bacon. And there it is. Oven bake from frozen, 200 for 25 to 30 minutes, turning halfway through. The ingredients are pork sausage 60%, pork 65%, pork fat, rusk, water, flour, wheat flour, calcium carbonate, iron niacin, raisin agents, ammonium bicarbonate, dextrose, salt, stabiliser, diphosphates, white pepper, yeast extract, sage, preservative, sodium metabisulfite, nutmeg, coriander, parsley, mace, antioxidants, bacon 40%, pork 85%, water, salt, preservatives. Sausages filled into non-UK collagen casing. Your allergy warnings for this are may contain barley, soya and milk. Your nutritional information is there, should anybody wish to stop the video and take a look. And you get 250 grams. Right, I'm sure you all know what they look like, and that's what they've turned out like. But the proof, as always, is in the eating of them, isn't it? So let's see. Let us see what they're like. That's what they look like inside. That, of course, is just the sausage, I think. They're really nice. The sausage is very nice. We'll try some of the bacon now. You must shave it off this. The bacon's quite chewy, but it has got a very nice texture, flavour. And I have to admit that I'm pleasantly surprised. Right, I'll try them together now. Can you hear my dog? They're actually surprisingly good. I know that a lot of people do tend to knock farm foods, but this particular product is excellent. As I say, I am very pleasantly surprised. I wasn't expecting much, but these are really good. £2.59. Those sausages are absolutely brilliant. They've got a great taste. And as always, here is my fellow food reviewer. Come on then. Right. The fate of these sausages depends on you, Layla. We'll see what you think. Tell me what you think. You see, the dog won't eat them. So is she right or am I right? These are great. And I will definitely buy them again, without a doubt. But to be fair, I do like to make my own. And there it is, folks. If you see them, pick them up. You won't be disappointed. That sausage has got the really great flavour, a brilliant texture. The bacon tastes nice, it's a little bit chewy. Everything's perfectly seasoned and it works well. I am, as I say, impressed. So, if you've enjoyed what you've seen, folks, please hit the like button. Feel free to leave a comment in the box below. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And above all, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please feel free to do so. It will cost you absolutely nothing, helps the channel grow, and we become part of the bigger community. And on that note, as always, my friends, I will say to you all, Namaste, and may your God go with you. Bye for now.